North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has reportedly arrived in Russia. On Tuesday, Japanese media reported that Kremlin said Kim's visit is for a comprehensive discussion with Russian President Vladimir Putin. As per reports, Kim left Pyongyang for Russia on Sunday on his private train, accompanied by top arms industry and military officials and the foreign minister. Japanese news agency reported on Tuesday, citing an unnamed Russian official source, that a train carrying Kim Jong-un had arrived in Khasan station, the main rail gateway to Russia's far east from North Korea. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said that there will be negotiations between two delegations, and after that, if necessary, the leaders will continue their communication in a one-on-one format. Reports said that Putin was expected to arrive in Vladivostok on Tuesday, where he was scheduled to attend the main session of the Eastern Economic Forum, which runs through Wednesday. His meeting with Kim is expected to be on the sidelines of the forum, although there has been no confirmation of the location or whether Kim would attend the event. US officials, who first said the visit was imminent, said that arms talks between Russia and North Korea were actively advancing. The US claimed that Putin and Kim are likely to discuss providing Russia with weapons for the war in Ukraine. Pyongyang and Moscow have denied that North Korea would supply arms to Russia, which has expended vast stocks of weapons in more than 18 months of war. Washington and its allies have been concerned at recent signs of closer military cooperation between Russia and the nuclear-armed North Korea. This is Kim's second summit with Putin after they met in 2019. The North Korean delegation includes prominent members of the party who handle defense industry and military affairs, including Munitions Industry Department Director Jo Chun-ryong. Based on this information, analysts said that the visit will focus on defense industry cooperation. However, Peskov said that the main topic of the talks by Putin and Kim would be bilateral relations between the neighboring countries. Photos released by state media showed military honor guards and crowds of people in dark suits and colorful dresses waving flowers and flags as Kim boarded the dark green train, which is believed to be armored and carry other specialized equipment. North Korea is one of the few countries to have openly supported Russia since the invasion of Ukraine last year. Last week, Putin pledged to expand bilateral ties in all respects in what he called a planned way by pooling efforts. In an obvious display of deepening ties, Kim Jong-un gave a personal tour of an arms exhibition for Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu when he visited Pyongyang in July. They even stood together to watch a military parade that featured banned ballistic missiles.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.